Hello peoples, welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how you make your own YouTube banner for free. The first you do is going to Pixel here, click here to go down, launch web app, click here. I will say 2516 and here 1430. Click here. Okay. The first I will do is click here. Click here. Here is some different skins. What looks cool? Let me see. I think that. So let's take that. Yes, I think it's fine. Will you add some text? You click here and click on the screen. So let's say Garage YouTube. Oh shit. YouTube channel. Yes. YouTube channel. Here can you say how big it is? Oh yes, I think that's fine. Here let's see about there's some different skins. Oh, I think that here looks cool. The color on the text, click here. So can you make it? I think green. I just think it's look good. Take it here up and oh, we add some more. Click on the screen again. So can you just subscribe for nice videos. Yes, the same color I will say. Yeah, that looks good. And so I will maybe do that a little bit like that. I said it here, click here. So Garage YouTube channel, subscribe for nice videos. There can you click on here and change the text to do it more cool, like here and here. That looks cool. Let's do it with that here. Yes, that looks cool. Now can we go to the other website? Let's see, Google. I will share on maybe controller PNG. And remember, not all pictures can you just take because you have to do something. That here is can you just take save picture like PNG. Yes, save. I will go back to that. Now can we click on file, open picture. I will say take open. Let's go here. Control A, Control C, click on the stream and Control V. Now it's up here, and you can just do that. And I think I take one more picture. I have 3 of them. Yes. Control A. Oh shit. Control A. Control C. Copy and Control V. Set it here. And you can go into editor and free transforming. Now I will do that here. So put it on. I think are they not a little bit too big? I do that here. I think it looks fine. Yes. Now you have a banner. Will you change the adventure? Yes. Now it looks like that. I think it's cool enough. Will you save it? So go into file, save, waiting, and click here, and I will do it like Gareth. Lol. Yes. Save. Now I'm done to the banner here, and remember you cannot take all pictures from the internet. So subscribe my videos, like them, so will I be thank you. See you later.